Thank you so much for visiting my channel. I'm so happy you have visited my channel, and I just want to tell you guys, please like and subscribe my channel because, if you like and if you subscribe my channel, so definitely I will give positive energy from your side, right? And I want that positive energy, and then I know my pronunciation is not well, and you will be noticing this thing because you have been watching my video for long time, but sometime I when I talk clipping or Twitter, so sometime I stuck. It is totally true. I won't deny, but sooner or later I will remove this thing. Or if you like and if you subscribe my channel, definitely some miracle will happen. And upcoming 3 month, upcoming 6 month, definitely I will be speak well, and we will learn together and enjoy this conversation, guys. And bye bye. Take care. Hey, you have a good day, guys.
Me, where you
Yes, hello, ma'am. Hi.
Hi, how are you, Shahid? Welcome to Clapping Go. This is Renee Rose.
Yes, ma'am. I'm good, ma'am. Thank you for welcome. Yeah.
Okay. So I think we are meeting for the first time, if I'm right.
Yes, you are right, ma'am. It is our first meeting. So, okay,
Okay.
I will introduce you some about me. So, I'm
Mm-hmm.
Shahid, and I live in Jamshedpur. I belong to Jharkhand, and I like to play cricket and other stuff, just like outdoor game. Uh, Sometime badminton I like, but I nowadays I these days I'm not play badminton, but yeah, I play nowadays cricket. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. That's great.
Uh,
So you are, what to say, multifaceted person. So many things, so many skills that you're working on, so many
Okay.
interests also.
Yeah, and one more thing, ma'am, I want to say I watch your videos.
Okay. On YouTube.
Yeah, on YouTube.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Thanks for that. So maybe that is the reason why you booked a session with me.
Maybe. Yeah.
Okay. So that's great. So now, we'll just start with the topic, making an amusement park. But before that,
But
let me just, yeah,
yeah, go ahead, ma'am. Sorry for
yeah.
that.
So if you have any doubts in between, you can stop me, no problem. All right. So just to check your flow of language, because I'm meeting you for the first time, I have my own way of analyzing a learner. So
Good.
I'm going to use this, and we're going to have small chats. I'll just give you a topic, whatever comes to your mind, just speak about it. Okay.
Okay.
Give it
Okay.
the topic, you just start speaking about something that is connected to the topic. That's all.
Okay, but I have something. But before I'm going to what you are saying to me, I have something about conjunction, man. If you talk about means like as long as much as, or as soon as.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want
So
to know when to use it.
yes, when to use this
As much
sentence.
as long as.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One thing is,
And
because you're asking me something from the grammar area,
yes,
as
ma'am.
long as soon as. Okay.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
thing
Yes.
is, Shahid, you shouldn't learn grammar separately. Now, I can explain the meaning of this. Now,
Okay.
you will also understand the meaning when I'm giving you the correct meaning for each one. It is okay, but this is very superficial. Now, you
Okay.
need to understand these things from a context also. What is the context? Either you try making your own sentences or start reading it from somewhere. So, even when you Google these days, you get a lot of big sentences. The
True.
context is very important. Now, let me give you a very superficial understanding. The first one is as much as.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
as it says, much is quantity.
Okay.
Okay. So, I don't
Mm,
have as much as wealth as he has, or like
okay.
her. You're making a comparison. So usually it is used for comparison, or as much as we don't have that much of rice with us. As much as
Okay.
rice is not there. So quantity or sometimes comparison. That is
Okay.
the basic idea. The next one is as long as time,
Mhm.
distance.
Okay.
Okay. Or you can say measurement also sometimes. This
Okay.
cloth is not as long as that.
Okay.
For example, if you're measuring cloth and you want to stitch curtains, this is not as long as what I really require, so please get me more.
Okay.
Okay. One more usage is as long as you work on your communication skills, you will not get fluency, or you will get fluency either way.
Okay.
So it is like time. As
Mhm.
long as you work, you will get fluency.
Okay.
The more you work, you get fluency. Time is there, so measurement is there. There also
Yes.
it is comparison. All right,
Okay.
or just making a statement. The next one
Okay.
is as soon as.
Mhm.
As soon as you reach home, please sanitize yourself and take inhalation. So as soon
Okay.
as, immediately, again time. As soon as you come here, do this. Or as soon as
Do-
you log into Clappingo, wish the tutor and the tutor will wish back.
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely.
So like that. So as long as, these are actually very simple usages, but I've given you
Mhm.
the superficial ones.
Okay.
Now, understanding these things better is to do some research. Like type
Research.
as soon as, some of the usages you can type, and you will get some sentences from Google. And next
Yes.
time when you read, also, when you listen to something, also rewind, replay, and understand the context.
Okay. So, ma'am, just like, can you give me at least two example about these are some, these are what I have given you means stuff, just like as long as or as much as. Give me make some sentences, ma'am.
Okay.
Means
So let me ask you to try it out, because now you understood the basics, right?
yes,
So why don't you
yes.
try it out?
Please,
Because prior knowledge is very important. So from there, we'll
absolutely.
take off. The first one is
Yes, yes.
as much as. Try to make a sentence, as much as.
Okay. As much as. So, you can eat as much as you want.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
till you fall sick, to make it
Mm,
funny. You
yes.
can eat as much as you want till you fall sick. All right, quantity. Very
Yes.
good. The next one, as
Mhm.
long as.
As long as. Okay. Uh, I I will be. Sorry. I will continue learn English language as long as I speak well.
Okay, I will continue to learn the
Uh,
English
to,
language
yes.
as long as I speak well, or as long as I'm willing to work on
Hmm.
the language skills. All right, good.
Yes.
As soon as.
As soon as. Okay. Just like suppose it is raining season. So uh, as soon as I went outside, it started it started to rain.
Yes,
It
as soon as
started
I went out.
raining.
It started to rain, it started raining, both are correct. So as soon as I went
Okay.
outside, it started raining, or it started to rain. Okay,
All right. Yeah.
so that's great. That's it. So now you understood, and examples. I give a set, and you have also given me a set of examples. So that makes it.
Yeah.
All right.
All
So now we have done it separately. What I'm trying to tell you is most of the learners these days, especially from our country, they do it
right.
separately. They learn the phrases, they learn idioms, they learn
Mhm.
words also separately, but that will not help them much. Understanding from a context and trying to connect it, making a story, will give
Yeah.
you a deeper understanding. So that is why we all ask people, everybody around, to read. So next time when you come across these three usages in a book, underline, again, read that paragraph
Again
again,
repeat.
understand. So
Yes.
deeper understanding is
Correct.
there. So next
Correct.
time when you explain to another person, also it is more easier. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Now you can give me some means about your topic means like some
Yes,
word or
yes, yes.
something.
Yeah, okay. You just have to talk about it. That's all. Whatever I'm asking you to do. The first word is
It's
funny.
funny.
Tell me
Absolutely.
something that comes to your mind. Funny. Anything that comes to your mind related with this word.
Okay. So talk with Kalipingo Tute. It is funny.
Why do you say so? Talking with a clapping or tutor is funny. Why do you say so?
I'm just making sentence, nothing, man.
Okay, fine. So okay, so next time, like, I'll show you this also. This will help you to expand when you're talking about something. Okay,
Oh,
after this activity, I will show you that. Okay, the next one is, this is very important for all of us.
time. Okay, ma'am.
Whatever
Yes.
comes to your mind. Time.
Ah, time is time is essential to our life. We use time in precisely.
We should use time precisely. Time is essential in life, in our life.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Okay. The next one is
Language.
language. Yeah.
Yeah. So English language is very English language is essential these days because of uh, all people they speak English
Because
because
because all people, not because of, because all people
no
speak English.
because all yes ma'am because all
Right.
people they speak English.
Yeah, because you said because of. Don't put off in between because all people speak English. It is a continuity. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now the tip is this activity was like you had to expand. When I gave you the word, you
Mhm.
were asked to expand. So next time when you have to speak about a topic, you can use this tip. These are driving questions. Have these questions in mind. For
Mhm.
example, if you're shown apple, an apple, okay,
Mhm.
you're asked to talk about the apple. So you say apple is round, it is red in color, sometimes green in color, and you get
Mhm.
stuck. You don't know what to say. So
Okay.
have these WH driving questions in your mind. What?
Mhm.
Don't tell the question out. What is an apple? So you start answering the question. First point. Second thing is, what is the second word? Why?
Why? Yes.
Okay, why should you eat an apple? So answer that question.
Mhm.
Okay, what is the next one?
When?
When should you eat an apple? Answer that
Mhm.
question. Don't give the question out, but just keep answering. Now, how many points you have given? Three. The next
3
one
points.
is which.
Which?
Which
Yes.
you, yeah, so which apple is the best, or which one do you have? Anything connected, whatever question you can make with the word which. Use that and give the answer for that. And the last one is where.
Where? Okay.
Okay, from where do you get apples? Where did you get these apples from? So answer the question. So how many points you have given? You have given almost 5 to 6 points, and you will notice that you have spoken for at least 3 minutes.
Okay.
Getting stuck.
So okay. So I have to say now
If you
about
want, you
so
can
on
try with anything.
only I have to say means answer, right?
Sorry, you can use these driving questions if you want.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Like
Okay.
for example, if I give you a topic, this
Mm-hmm.
topic, money.
Money. Okay.
Okay, so you can use some of those questions in the mind and try to, because when I gave you time and funny, you gave just 2 sentences and you stopped. Now with these
Yes.
driving questions, try to expand it. Money.
Money. Okay. So money is important. Everybody knows, and they those are people. They are working hard to earn money,
Okay.
and most of the people they are doing fun or they earn money
Okay.
because on YouTube channel we see and there are lots of people they do fun there and they earn money there and money is uh, really is essential. uh, Without money we can't survive. uh, m-
Okay.
uh, we can survive but not no but we can survive but not a good life. Yeah.
Okay. 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 So now you spoke for more time. Did you use these questions or did you just speak like that?
uh,
Some of the questions, at least 2 words.
uh, okay, so why.
Now, I think you have answered who people are there.
Who?
You have answered
Yes.
where, YouTube channel you mentioned. Also,
Hmm.
you answered what.
Why?
Okay.
Okay.
Then when also, like everywhere, most of the time people want money,
Mhm.
which maybe you can use again. For example, which is the easiest way to make money? Because some people are concerned about that. Or which are some of the ways that you shouldn't use to make
Mhm.
money? Okay, both do's and don'ts.
No, I can't, man. You-
Yeah, no, it's not that you have to do it now, but this is a way in which you expand any topic. Now, why I'm
okay.
asking you to do this is when you're doing practice, this helps you not only to expand, it helps you
Mhm.
to make sentences, better sentences. At the same time, it gives you some confidence. See, when you
Okay.
speak to a stranger, why do you fall short of topic? Or why do you fall short of words? First thing is you don't know many words. Second thing
Yes.
is you're getting stuck in between because you don't know what to say. Like now you told me,
Yeah.
ma'am, I can't. So these driving questions will be there in your mind once you give practice to your mind. Automatically you keep answering those questions like who, what, and all, and you would have talked for almost 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Then
Okay.
you will feel
But
confident.
yes, you are right, ma'am. But you know, my weakness is, ma'am, I'm not able to make question means like who and means who and when and something. Yeah, it is my weakness
Okay.
point.
So literally, you don't have to make questions in the mind. Just have those words in your mind. For example, you were talking about money. Who? Just have the word who. So you
Mm-hmm.
talked about people. These days, many people, most of us want money,
Mm-hmm.
especially YouTubers. So you have
Yes.
answered who. So you don't have to study it by heart, but these WH questions will automatically pop up when you give the practice. So even
Okay,
if
ma'am.
you're going to purchase your shirt, t-shirt,
Mm-hmm.
okay,
Mm-hmm.
you're talking about the shirt to yourself. So ask these
Okay.
driving questions. Who wears the shirt or who?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Which? What? Like that, automatically you will notice subconsciously you start answering those questions. You don't have to literally make the questions and then answer it because then it becomes very obvious and sometimes very mechanical, right?
Okay.
So just
Yes.
get to the practice. This is one tip of expanding a topic,
Okay, ma'am. Okay, I
right?
will.
Yeah. So I'll just give you a small feedback. Is that okay?
Yeah, you can give me.
Yeah,
You
so I
can give.
think you are a very hardworking person from what I can see. You have got the interest to learn the English language. Maybe you have to bring a change to the methods that you're using. Like I know you're listening, you're reading a lot of things, but at the same time, you could try talking to yourself at the same time. If you're reading, read aloud because you need
Okay.
to work on your pronunciation and sentence formation. Now, what exactly in the sentence formation? Tense and preposition. These are the
Yes.
basics.
Yes,
Okay.
I am working
And
on that, ma'am.
yeah, so
Yes.
along with understanding the grammar or understanding a specific portion of the grammar, I will
Mhm.
always recommend you not to learn it separately because that is not the ideal method. As I told you in the beginning, go deeper into the context
Yes.
and then read something else. Then again, learn something, read, learn, and then talk to yourself. So it is like
Yes.
you have learned something, you have watched something at the same time you're giving practice to yourself. This is the
Yes.
only way in which we can develop this skill. This is a skill. Language is
True.
a skill. So like
True.
that, when you slowly do every day at least for 15 minutes, there will be big progress. You will see the progress.
Yeah. So you mean to say all about like don't go learn a separate grammar,
Yeah, that is
but
a wrong method because that is what
that
we
is the
have been
wrong
doing
method
in our
according to you.
schools
Yeah.
and colleges.
Yeah.
I always
Yeah.
tell all the learners we are given worksheets in grammar. Of course, you will understand what is noun, what is place, what is that, what is this. But how do you use it? That is why we are not able to speak fluently. See, we
Hmm.
cannot speak telling now, well, now I have to use a noun. Now I have to use a verb. No, it is not possible. Language should come effortlessly, spontaneously, right? I think that,
Has
yeah,
paused,
yeah.
man.
Yeah, and the
Yeah.
network,
Now I
there was
can.
a network error. So I'm telling language should come effortlessly. It should come spontaneously. For that, we cannot take these grammar lessons separately and try to incorporate it.